SDR. Short distance release. What's up, guys? Nick the Informative Fisherman. Just got the GoPro mounted today. Me and my homeboy Rex. Some people know him as Travis Averill. Creme de la creme king of NorCal fishing. No harvesters. I like to give Rex titles like that. He doesn't like that sort of thing, but I find it very amusing for my own entertainment. We started off looking deep, checking some stuff just to make sure these fish are all shallow. Now we're finding a bite in about 2.5 foot of water. If you position the boat in like 3 and cast up even into a foot, that seems to be the bite. We're Nico rigging trick worms and armor worms at the moment, and finesse fishing them. Missed a big frogfish already, but we're definitely going to check some flip bite, some big wake bait bite, maybe some other stuff. The water's really clean, but I'm going to take you guys along with some catches and just have some fun. Nothing special. I got one. Wacky fish. A little wacky armor worm action for fish number 1. It's a giant. I don't think she's going to go in the box to help us or anything, but I'll take it. Turn right. She's that big, fighting good. I mean, she's better than the last one. Where was it? Armor worm, the nail. Dude, it ain't much better. No, that was 100% in the fence. Boy, I sure sold that one. Giant. Fish ate it as it touched the surface. Oh, my worm is gone. Going through nail weights like it's going out of style. Okay, number 3. I don't think it's any bigger. She might be a little, this one, he might be a little bit heavier. But that's number 3. If I can get her. I don't know. Who knows? Not this guy. There we go. Got us a healthy one. Alright, we got a healthy one now. Now, that's probably female for here. Yeah, doesn't look very fat. I'm guessing pre-spawn, but who knows? sec. I felt a little slack in my line there and then got it, you know. Well, another healthy one. On the other end of the leg. Knuckle raking for the win. We got a limit. Now we just need get a couple bigger ones.
Nick's got a limit.
That's okay. You've been trying different things. You know me. When it comes to finesse fishing, I like this game. Yeah, I mean, fun's fun.
I get it.
I like that game too. Just trying to run the score up on Rex right now, just to hit him in the fields. Whole time wondering what's broke. Shit was broke. Now, if that would have up and stuck about 5 or 6 pounder, so now maybe then I would have been weightless trick for me. What? Hey Rex, you should feel this one. It feels good. See, he's losing it.
Get in the back so I get my damn bull.
I want you to see this.
No, I don't want to see it.
Oh, Travis, pull it. Pull it so good, Rex.
Put the boat on the trailer. Call Pam to pick you up.
There we go. Ooh, feels so good. I don't mind catching juniors all day, but as long as I'm getting my whack on. Got it, Rexy.
Whack on.
Whack on! Rock. It's a rock. It's a rock.
I guess if you put a nail in it.
That's all I needed. Just needed the nail weight.
Yes, if you put a nail in it.
Makes all the difference.
You can actually.
Oh yeah, 2.5. Okay. Okay.
On the board.
Okay. Okay, Rex is on the board. Okay. I see you. I see you. Here you go, sir. You can have that back. You know, Travis, I don't know if you noticed, the last 2 fish in a row are yours. Except this one. That was a snag. Dude, this one's so big it's just laying there on the bottom, hanging onto a rock.
That one.
Finally snag. Like if that started swimming, that would have been special. Dude, that's another 2.25. Yeah. Okay. I see you. That means I just landed next to a
Fish.
I think it's a fish. I'm gonna go with fish. Oh, that's a decent one. Oh!
Did you break?
Oh, that broke me off, man! I guess I was horsing it too hard on 6 pound. Ooh, that sucked. What a world. It was like a 3 pounder. It wasn't huge. I was making it out to be spectacular, but it's alright.
Getting like
Damn.
hooked.
Barely. It's another. A lot of these like 2.25 pounders, it seems like, have to find a way to get a better fish. The water's so clear out here. So far with reaction, I haven't been able to get any love. Just had one option for, you know, an area to throw a frog. I may go look for more of that stuff just to see if we can find a better bite, you know, something to get a frog. But we've got like 2 close to 3 pounds. I had one probably slightly over 3 pounds, but just not seeming to find the bigger ones on this pattern. It could be the part of the lake, but it is absolutely fun catching a ton of fish at the same time though. So we'll try to figure it out. I'm gonna pick up a glide and maybe throw another top water to see if I can draw a bigger fish up, maybe a big walking bait. No. A nutter. Okay, just trying to run up the score now. That's it, you know.
Fish?
Yep.
Is that the time for that?
You want to get the top of your knees when you're fighting fish too, because by the time you sit down, you don't really know. If I don't do it now, I'll forget to put it on. Clones, man. Surrounded by clones. Fish! Oh! God, you see it? 5-6 pounder. Oh my God, dang it. Well, just dumped a big one on the glide. Hopefully we'll convert on one of those. Got him. There we go. Not as big as the last one, but you know, much better bass. Ooh, and she paid me back. Just tore my finger open. Nice fish, nonetheless, man. There we go. That probably called out at least one of our bottom ones by a pound. And look at that, she got me good. Get a noggin. Yeah. This fish come up and drop right back in. Okay. That was 100% fish.
Don't tell Matt it doesn't work.
Who's doesn't work.
Doesn't work.
Oh. Funny. I actually focused on live for a minute. Look what happened. So I was throwing the swim bait over here, and like, okay, there's got to be more fish right here. We were catching them in this spot earlier, wacky rigging. So I was deciding, like, is it just a wacky rig spot or what? So I was throwing the glide, working it, and I didn't see any follows. I'm watching on Travis's live unit. And then once I pulled the bait up at the boat, I seen a fish lift up off the bottom about 8 to 10 foot in front of the boat. I picked up the weighted wacky, looked, seen the fish was still there, but hitched on its head, ate it immediately. So this is one of those scenarios where live was crazy deadly effective. Another clone, I do have to remind you guys that we didn't show 2 or 3 little tiny ones. So yeah, smaller than that. But Salt Springs is an absolute blast. if you heard me say Nico earlier, or if you watch my viral video on TikTok where I was talking about the Neko is the proper pronunciation, since all the American guys want to say, yes, we've been putting nail weights in wacky worms for years, so let's call nail weighted wacky rig Nico, okay, if you want to, or you can call it a nail weighted wacky rig. And the proper retrieval method with the hook in the side, not the wacky rig configuration, we'll refer to as Neko. So there you go. You're welcome. All right, guys, it looks like my GoPro's not charging here, so if for some reason it dies and you miss the before dark catches, I appreciate you guys watching informativefisherman.com, all the popular social media channels, and my boy Rex over here. I'm always tagging him on Instagram, so if I post any pictures of stuff, go follow this man too.
TikTok too.
Oh, he's a TikToker now too. You got dance moves? Good enough, good enough. Thanks for watching, guys.
Fighting over boys.
You gotta get it, you gotta get it. That fish flew up with my wacky rig, slid down, nose in the car. Stuck.
Ooh, that's healthier.
Yeah.
Love when they do that.
Jump.
Jump again? No, yes, not me.
Double! Oh no!
Close down.
Get my worms off of there. Oh, that felt healthy too, man. Ah. What's up? This is on the
Headbanger?
the headbanger. Oh, dude, it's the best fish of the day too on the 3-inch headbanger.
So get the net.
Yeah, get the net. It's not huge, but get the net. It's not a big one, so don't freak out over the net, you guys. This is the new 3-inch banger bug.
Oh, you put the banger on.
Uh-huh. Did you see that bull yet? There we go. Another decent one right there. Look at this guy. Look at this guy right here. That right there, that's the new 3-inch banger bug. So really cool, more like Ned rig size right there. A little bit bigger, still has all that same awesome action. I just have it on a little Ned head because there's a lot of algae down there. And the rocker head, I like it when it's a little bit cleaner, less algae. Grass is fine. Algae, that's another story, but got him. I think I ate enough bugs today, so I don't need a dinner tonight. I should be good.
Hey, what's up, Nick?
How's it going, man?
Good, man. How are you?
Good. Having some fun out here, getting my stretches in.
Oh, yeah.